About 3 weeks into the Pimsleur French course, I was sitting in traffic when the moderator asked me to respond and the phrase came out. I didn't pause or need to translate in my head. And for the first time, the words just strung together. That's precisely what Pimsleur is built for. And after months of testing it out, today I can tell you they deliver on that promise. There are a few things to know before you buy, and here's my honest take. The Pimsleur method comes down to one idea. The fastest way to get comfortable speaking a language is to be put on the spot in a controlled environment. Every lesson is 30 minutes of audio built around a real conversation between fluent speakers. You're not just passively listening because a moderator pauses the dialogue and puts you on the spot to respond aloud. Spaced repetition brings phrases back at exactly the right intervals, so nothing fades. The whole method is designed to build speaking confidence by making you until it becomes natural. During the 4 months I spent testing out Pimsleur French, I noticed a definite increase in my confidence levels. At first, I was pausing the lesson to look up words before I answered aloud because I was honestly nervous about always getting it right. But the more I got used to being put on the spot, the faster I found myself answering questions. Eventually, I was talking without second guessing, the way I would chat with a friend in my native English. All the reinforcement exercises helped me make that leap by cementing everything I'd covered in the audio lessons. You're hearing new words and phrases at strategically timed intervals, right when you need a refresher. It's almost like taking a college class, followed by homework assignments that help everything just stick. I found the drills quite engaging, especially whenever I took a break from the main lesson to play around with Pimsleur's challenges and rewards tool. This feature turns vocab practice into a points-based game. If you have a competitive streak, it's motivating to earn quick points and watch your score climb. Where Pimsleur really shines is helping you establish a good baseline accent. You're constantly listening to native speakers, then getting feedback from the AI-powered voice coach. This is one of the most accurate speech tools I've used, and unlike most apps, it isn't a basic pass-fail system. You're getting real-time feedback so you know exactly how you need to improve. I never thought I'd get the hang of pronouncing the nasal sounds that make French so tricky, but after about 6 weeks of consistent speaking practice, I was actually getting those vowels right. Pimsleur is great for professionals who need to use a new language on the job. Many of the dialogues center around formal conversation topics, from business small talk and logistics to navigating public interactions. And this may be a minor point, but the interface is super sleek. You don't have to worry about glitches or finding your way around the app. Everything is intuitive and well organized, which makes it easy to focus on actual learning without getting bogged down in those technical difficulties. But here's the thing, Pimsleur does a great job at getting you speaking within structured conversations, but I found myself struggling to put my thoughts together in French outside of the lessons. I'd memorized lots of useful sentences, but I didn't know how to build my own sentences from scratch. That's because Pimsleur's philosophy is to have you figure out grammar intuitively, the way a child does, just by hearing the correct phrasing on repeat until you internalize the pattern. Immersion sounds great, but in my experience, it can feel a bit frustrating. Personally, I learn grammar rules faster when I understand them, and Pimsleur's lack of clear explanations left me guessing sometimes. The other main limitation is that the curriculum includes very little reading or writing practice. Pimsleur's core program is fully audio-driven. Sure, there are a few supplemental reading lessons and flashcards mixed in, but for anyone whose goals include reading books or sending emails in your target language, Pimsleur won't get you very far. The audio lessons might also be a stretch for visual learners, since the Pimsleur method doesn't use any images. All right, none of this means Pimsleur is a bad program. Depending on your learning style and your situation, it might actually be the best fit for you. If your schedule makes it hard to sit down in front of a screen, Pimsleur is built for just that. The app has a driving mode that's 100% hands-free, and the Spotify integration means you can run lessons without switching apps. Being able to learn on the go might be what keeps you truly making progress. Then again, lessons take about an hour if you're counting both the audio portion and the reinforcement drills. And that's a significant time commitment. And you do have to be seated in front of a screen to complete the learning activities that follow the listening portion. Now, here's where Pimsleur hits its ceiling. It won't get you to fluency on its own, and it's not designed to build a solid understanding of grammar. A friend of mine used Pimsleur for Spanish, and while his accent is impressive, he still struggles with verb endings and reading new words aloud because he never learned the spelling rules that guide Spanish pronunciation. For some learners, that foundation matters a lot. Pimsleur costs about $20 a month, and they offer a free 7-day trial so you can test it out before you commit. I've got a link in the description if that sounds like the right fit. So should you use Pimsleur? My answer is yes. Pimsleur is worth every dollar, but it works best when you pair it with an app that fills the grammar gap, like Babbel. Babbel covers the basics of reading and writing with a big emphasis on vocabulary building and a flexible approach that lets you choose how you prefer to review based on your learning style. Direct grammar instruction is naturally woven into every lesson, so you're constantly getting clear explanations and concrete examples in quick 2-sentence chunks. Babbel also uses more graphics than Pimsleur, which is great for visual learners. These two programs each prioritize a different side of language learning, which is why I think they pair well together. Babbel's lessons just take about 15 minutes, so even if you're a full-time professional, you could run Pimsleur on your commute and squeeze in a Babbel lesson over your lunch break. And since Babbel costs as low as about $8 a month after discounts, it honestly doesn't break the bank. For anyone who wants to try Babbel, I've got a 55% off link in the description down below. However, if you'd rather have everything in just one program, Rocket Languages is my top pick. The audio lessons work the same way as Pimsleur's, real conversations, moderators putting you on the spot, but Rocket adds dedicated grammar lessons and a rolling transcript so you're never lost. The speech recognition scores your pronunciation out of 100, which is the most honest feedback I've found in any language app. It costs more upfront since Rocket sells lifetime access instead of a monthly subscription, but for serious learners, it's totally worth it. I've got a 65% off code in the description if you want to give it a try. All right, so who is Pimsleur for? Commuters, busy professionals, and honestly anyone who wants to build a natural, accurate pronunciation from day one. Pair it with Babbel if you want grammar support on the side, or switch to Rocket if you want the whole package in one comprehensive program. For a full written review of Pimsleur with pricing details and a feature breakdown, just visit testprepinsight.com. And remember, we give away a free language learning course every single month. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're leaning toward. And if this helped, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.